Hey, how was your morning? Hey, how was your morning?
It was good, just had breakfast and got ready for the day. It was good, just had breakfast and got ready for the day.
What's on your agenda for today? What's on your agenda for today?
I have classes in the morning and then meeting up with some friends for lunch. I have classes in the morning and then meeting up with some friends for lunch.
Do you have any plans for the weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. Maybe catching a movie or going for a hike. Not yet. Maybe catching a movie or going for a hike.
How's your work going? How's your work going?
It's going well, just keeping busy with projects. It's going well, just keeping busy with projects.
Have you been cooking at home or eating out more? Have you been cooking at home or eating out more?
Mostly cooking at home, trying out new recipes. Mostly cooking at home, trying out new recipes.
How are your parents? How are your parents?
They're good. Thanks for asking. They're good. Thanks for asking.
What did you have for lunch today? What did you have for lunch today?
I had a salad from the cafe near campus. I had a salad from the cafe near campus.
How's your pet doing? How's your pet doing?
He's doing great. He's doing great.
Have you made any travel plans for the holidays? Have you made any travel plans for the holidays?
Not yet. Still figuring out where to go. Not yet. Still figuring out where to go.
Did you hear about the new movie coming out? Did you hear about the new movie coming out?
Yeah, I saw the trailer online. Yeah, I saw the trailer online.
Have you been reading any good books lately? Have you been reading any good books lately?
Not really. Been busy with schoolwork. Not really. Been busy with schoolwork.
Have you tried that new cafe downtown? Have you tried that new cafe downtown?
Not yet, but I've heard good things about it. Not yet, but I've heard good things about it.
How's your part-time job going? How's your part-time job going?
It's been valuable a learning experience. It's been valuable a learning experience.
Have you been keeping up with the news? Have you been keeping up with the news?
A little bit, mostly through headlines. A little bit, mostly through headlines.
What's your favorite subject in school? What's your favorite subject in school?
I really enjoy science. I really enjoy science.
What's your least favorite subject? What's your least favorite subject?
I'm not a big fan of history. I'm not a big fan of history.
What's your favorite dessert? What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate ice cream. I love chocolate ice cream.
Do you prefer hot or cold weather? Do you prefer hot or cold weather?
I prefer hot weather because I can go swimming. I prefer hot weather because I can go swimming.
What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season?
I love summer because I can go to the beach. I love summer because I can go to the beach.
What's your favorite type of music? What's your favorite type of music?
I like pop music and hip hop. I like pop music and hip hop.
Do you have any hobbies? Do you have any hobbies?
Yeah, I like photography and playing guitar in my free time. Yeah, I like photography and playing guitar in my free time.
What's your favorite TV show at the moment? What's your favorite TV show at the moment?
I'm really into this crime drama series. It's so addictive. I'm really into this crime drama series. It's so addictive.
Do you enjoy doing chores? Do you enjoy doing chores?
Not particularly, but they need to be done. Not particularly, but they need to be done.
How often do you do laundry? How often do you do laundry?
Usually once a week, usually on Sundays. Usually once a week, usually on Sundays.
Do you like to sleep in on weekends? Do you like to sleep in on weekends?
Yeah, it's nice to catch up on sleep sometimes. Yeah, it's nice to catch up on sleep sometimes.
What's your favorite thing to do on a lazy Sunday? What's your favorite thing to do on a lazy Sunday?
I like cook big breakfast and watching movies. I like cook big breakfast and watching movies.
How do you stay organized during the week? How do you stay organized during the week?
I use a planner and make to-do lists to stay on track. I use a planner and make to-do lists to stay on track.
What's your favorite dish to cook? What's your favorite dish to cook?
Probably pasta dishes. They're quick and easy to make. Probably pasta dishes. They're quick and easy to make.
What are you currently reading? What are you currently reading?
I'm reading a mystery novel. It's really gripping. I'm reading a mystery novel. It's really gripping.
Do you like going to theme parks? Do you like going to theme parks?
Yes, I love riding roller coasters. Yes, I love riding roller coasters.
Do you enjoy cooking shows? Do you enjoy cooking shows?
Yes, I find them very entertaining. Yes, I find them very entertaining.
Who's your favorite chef? Who's your favorite chef?
I love Gordon Ramsay. I love Gordon Ramsay.
What's your favorite type of workout? What's your favorite type of workout?
I like doing strength training exercises. I like doing strength training exercises.
Q. Do you enjoy going to art galleries? Q. Do you enjoy going to art galleries?
Yes, I find them very inspiring. Yes, I find them very inspiring.
What's your favorite type of art? What's your favorite type of art?
I love Impressionist paintings. I love Impressionist paintings.
Do you like going to the theater? Do you like going to the theater?
Yes, I enjoy watching plays and musicals. Yes, I enjoy watching plays and musicals.
Do you like going to the beach? Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love spending time by the ocean. Yes, I love spending time by the ocean.
What's on the menu for tonight? What's on the menu for tonight?
I'm thinking of stir fry. It's quick and delicious. I'm thinking of stir fry. It's quick and delicious.
What's your favorite outdoor activity? What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I love hiking in the mountains. I love hiking in the mountains.
What time do you usually head to bed? What time do you usually head to bed?
Around 10:30 or 11, I like to get a good night's sleep. Around 10:30 or 11, I like to get a good night's sleep.